Follow me more, go Delta State, more go make some owo and starch. Hello, good day everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you can see, we are making data owo and correct starch. Now what you want make today, my people, na in be that one. See my people, ever since I started to make this owo in my house, my children, they not they let me the rest again. They always demand for this owo. Mommy, please, when are you making that owo for us again? I don't know, say they get second agenda. Me, if I make this owo and now starch now they always they use until they eat, but my children and they go say no, that is not what they are eating. They prefer using it to eat rice. My people, I bet they say they use owo till they eat rice. Me, I not just understand these children. Anytime I make this owo, now only rice now that they use until they eat. Sometimes I go even try make I force them, say me they eat starch with me. They go say no, like mommy, we are not eating that. That's just for only you, okay? So my people, as you can see, we have already started making this our owo. Una know say my house say anything I not the waster. And they always they talk, yes, that's me. So the prawn when I use now the back now be down I see for the beginning of the video. I felt bled that they come pour inside my pot. They come add my garri when I already soak for like few minutes. You understand? So after that one, now I can add all my protein. When I want use to make this my ungbonga data owo. Then the next thing now would we come put our oil. After we don't put our dry pepper, seasoning powder, and crayfish, you understand? So me, if I dey make my owo, I know they put salt for the beginning. Now after I don't put my potash, if the thing not too do okay for me, then I go come add a little salt. Now wait till they say for here, now be this one. So this one na my microfish when I smoke inside my hair fryer and beverage. I beg this beverage, my people, I don't know the name in English. If you do, please let me know on the comment section. So the next thing I will come the add an our potash and I be this one. So now this one I be the cocoa for this recipe. Without this potash, you not go fit get this owo where you dey look for, you understand? So we don't put the potash. Now look at it. Now the thing is beautiful already. So yeah, now I go come test, and when I test the thing not dey salty the way I want it. So now I add another little salt. So my people, if you don't say don't watch this video reach here, it means say you dey enjoy them, but you don't want follow, you don't want like I joke kilo the what's going on. Oh yeah, now help a sister, help a mother as you do. May God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all. As una take the support una get, will you be giving this a try? If yes, please let me know on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next video. Thank you.